Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam tabletop decor or special event wedding decor ideas. So what you're going to need some of this silver rhinestone bulk embellishment pack. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need 2 of these crystal and silver napkin rings. They are from Efavormart. And I also have some of this clear diamond chain from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Michaels, I have some of these little 2-inch round mini mirrors. So you will need a pack of 4, you'll need 2 of these. From Dollar Tree, I have some of these little mini vases, so you'll need at least 1 of them. And it can really be in any shape you like. I just have a fluted shape here. And then I have some of these Tealight holders on a pedestal, and I'm going to be using a staggered height, so you will need 2 of them. Now from Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half-sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'll be using hot glue to assemble my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these glam crystal and mirror decor, table decor pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now, I did go ahead and add those little round mini mirrors to the tea lights. And I think that they really help to bounce the light around, but you don't have to use them. They are optional, but I think it really helps with making the pieces look a bit more high-end. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel, and it also helps me to know the kind of content you actually enjoy watching. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.